pause is when it tilts toward you. Okay. Just let you know. Ready? Yep. On the ground. That's all. So, 1, 2 shots. Inspect it. A couple boxes delivered, it was either wrong top or a blemish on it. Some crazy thing.
Yeah. Well, the wheels were supposed to be chrome and they're black, so that's already well.
Oh.
Well,
But
you can take that up with your salesman.
my salesman will make it right.
Better. What you guys spent on these darn things.
Ooh. Well, I got the color right.
I got the green one.
Cool. Yeah, I like that green.
Me too.
Well, it's a popular color.
It is.
I can't look. I deliver a lot of green ones.
It's got the right drawers.
Oh, good. Let me go around the front so that we can see it.
It's got the right top.
Yeah. I know. Check the top of your drawers because the last few I delivered, they had nicks
Oh, yeah.
on the top of the drawer. It wasn't caused by the shipping. It was just like it was done by manufacturing. So they do like little nicks right on the top of the drawer. Inspect your drawers really good. That is, but tag. Yeah, like this week.
That looks nice. So did you deliver a bunch of these along the way, or?
Oh yeah, I do LTL loads. I pick up just multiple shipments
Random
or whatever.
Stuff? But you do a lot of these boxes.
Yeah, oh yeah, I do. I do a lot of these Snap-ons.
Yeah.
I deliver them all over the United States and Canada.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, I deliver some pretty sharp looking boxes.
Yeah, they come in so many sweet colors.
Yeah, one guy, I think the biggest one I delivered had a 4-piece set.
Oh, with the cabinets?
He had the bottom, the top, the 2 sides. Yeah.
Well, we have the top too.
Yeah,
it came
the
a long
top
time
came
ago.
Like a month ago.
Oh, really?
So it's just
Over
been
there in the
sitting.
Oh, jeez.
So he's like just had his top.
Well, that's nice. I got a hat, but nothing to put it on.
Right, right.
There's a
Yeah,
little
see?
nick there.
Yeah, see, I told you. You gotta look out for them little nicks. Cause I delivered one at a Harley shop. It was all Harley colors.
Yep.
It was a rustic orange. Beautiful box, but every single drawer had nick all the way across the top of it.
That's no good.
Well, the top's got a nick in the trim over here too. So
What's that?
The top.
top,
Oh, the
when,
top?
when it came,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing over there in Iowa, but they need to lay off the corn or something. I don't know.
It was supposed to have all double drawer slides too,
Does it?
and it does not.
It does not.
It's
Okay.
missing a bunch of drawer slides. Like
What
this
you
one's
missing?
only got single.
Oh, I
It's
see.
supposed to have double drawer
Oh,
slides
for
on all
the-
the drawers.
for
that
the
are
weight.
supposed to have them. Yep. But so far, only the very top and the bottom ones have.
Oh wow.
Hmm.
Oh, there's all the stuff.
Oh, there's all the
Here's all
stuff.
your- Okay.
All the drawer liners and
Mm-hmm. Nice deep
big
drawer.
ass drawer.
Yeah, that's a good one.
There he is.
Hey!
Well, we've already found some issues.
Okay.
These are all supposed to have double slides. And only the bottom ones and the top one do. The ones that were already double.
Okay.
The wheels were supposed to be from.
And you are.
This is Brian. He's the
this is Brian.
salesman.
Oh, you're the salesman. Okay.
But other than that,
So there's no damage to the box.
there's one little
Well,
nick
man,
right here.
I told him check the top of the drawers because the last few boxes I delivered, they all had little nicks and little.
Okay.
Yeah, I told him go through those drawers thoroughly.
Okay.
Like the last 3 I delivered a few months ago.
Did you see this?
I haven't, oh shit.
What?
Oh, nice.
What is it?
It's got the light in it.
It's got the light. Oh, that's sweet.
I saw that like a month ago. The part number was different.
He didn't
And I
know.
saw that and I didn't tell you because I wanted you.
He was wondering about that,
I
and
wasn't
then
sure if it would have that or not.
it looks so nice though.
Okay, cool. All right.
All right.
I just want to make sure you're happy before I bring that paperwork, because
Yeah.
I tell you what to look out for because it never fails. Like you said, like you found those nicks on those drawers.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, that one's tiny.
I'll push that out.
All right, there's the box.